directors of the school, the facilitators around, the teaching staffs. Good evening. Good evening. First and foremost, I would like to thank our loving Father for having given us this opportunity, time, for keeping us right from the first day up to now. And I would like to appreciate above all the directors of the school for the brilliant idea for coming up with this program. Indeed, directors, you were not around. We had a lot. We have received a lot. The people whom you brought, they're the very ones whom we were in need of. They're the very ones who can bring the change that we are in need of. The peace and everything that we're lacking in the institution, they have brought. And I think from now onward, the school will be a different school. We used to say that Disney Junior is a school of a difference. Indeed, from now onward, it will really be a real different, not the different that we were talking of last time. They have shared with us so many good things, and they have given us so many skills of life. And indeed, we are going to practice. What we need now is to put them in practice and to make them be part of us. And when we make it part of us, we are going to see a great change. And I must assure that the school will change. Above all, the teachers will also change. We are going to see the great generation coming from this region. I say this for God and my country.
Director, facilitators, and all the colleagues, I really wanted to appreciate the management of this school through the help of our dear directors for the wonderful program that we have come up with to organize for this training. Really, I want to appreciate, and then also in the maybe some 2 minutes or 1 minute, we'll just talk on this, the basic life skill that we have got, the general life skills, and then the knowledge that we were supposed to have the presentation, but we failed to do. But at this time, let me just use 1 minute, and then I wrapped the general conclusion of this learning. We really, from the first day up to today, we learned a lot. We learned how to, at least, we said there's general life skills. B, the keywords. I wanted to read this one. You came here in peace, live in peace, not in pieces. Don't break the bridge that you have built or you have not built. Teach to bless others so that you are blessed. The key things is to transform the learners, but just not only to teach. And it is good to prepare in advance before you come to the real class or for lessons, so that you deliver properly, and then the learners also to be participative, should participate practically. Teach the child to apply the knowledge or to use it in life, not just to pass the exams. So those are some of the key points that we picked from the 3 days, plus all these other good methods of teaching reading. And above all, we have seen that the reading it will help our struggling children, whether in P5, P6, or even P7, because it is the foundation. If a child does not know how to read, it will be actually difficult for that child to even pass the exam that we are talking about. So the basic foundation is reading, and they have given us the how we can start introducing this reading right from the starters, the Rica starters sound, the 12 sounds, went up to the last. And they have actually concluded on that we need not to teach the letter names, but we should teach the sound. So really, these are some of the things which is going to change our children and even ourselves. And I pray we are going to do the needful. May God bless everyone. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, our directors, our facilitators, and my fellow teachers. I don't know how to explain it, but I want to say the day has been so colorful. We have got a lot. We have learned how to share. What I've learned most is that when I'm going to class, I have to carry something for the learners. Our facilitators were the best example here. People were winning money. We were using our brains to answer tough questions, you see. So, not only that, we have also learned a lot in reading. I hope from today you will not hear this system of letter A sound is no longer there. We have transformed ourselves. We have come from down, we are now up here. And at first we were a bit lazy, but in the second day we have got interested. And we feel like these people should not leave. We are really enjoying it. Even if you ask us to come tomorrow, we will come. We all want to say thank you, and we want to say thank you so much, our dear directors. It seems like it was expensive, but you have really given us a lot. And we promise that we will use the knowledge we have got to take Disney Junior somewhere. Thank you so much, and we promise to be the best teachers in Nyowa district and even in the whole Uganda. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm on my feet. The directors of the school, facilitators, deputy head teacher and the host, and my colleague teachers. Good evening. Good evening. Yes. I want to appreciate the directors of the school for making this sacrifice for us. Because I have taught also in many schools and for many years, but I have never come across a training of this kind. So I thank them for sacrificing their time, their effort, to support us teachers, because what they have given us will help us everywhere we go. Even at home, they will help us. From this training, I learned that we as teachers, we should be here physically present and also mentally present. Not coming here when you're here, but your mind or your heart is at home. Let us teach with all our hearts. Another one is, the moment you stand for others, God will also stand for you. That one, it is real, and learn how to manage challenges, because challenges are everywhere. Even at home, you can get your friend who can annoy you. So you have to learn how to also manage it, either from home there or from the working place. If I now come to what I want to say, we had this training. The part which has interested me most, it is the active reading. the active, we are
Rica,
going to use
Rica
those
active
pictures,
reading, eh?
the active to our learners there, because for me I'm heading the nursery section, and I believe using that one, the pictures, even the K ones, will be able to read. Because if they can put those pictures and they blend them to form sounds, why should they not read? So we are going to have the best readers from this school and even the best teachers. I believe that this is all I want to say. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you very much, dear trainers and our directors, as my fellow teachers. I'd like to send my appreciation to our directors for having organized this kind of training. I would like to say, really God has used you so that you bring these trainers to this school to really change the mindset of the teachers, so that even the learners will achieve what the class will give them, and to change even the learners. Really, we have got a lot on the reading, and also apart from reading, we have got very many skills on how we can stay outside and we can invest, we can do a lot on our own from our families. They have given us a lot that even some of our parents did not give us. I really appreciate you. Really, our trainers, they worked for these 3 days like angels, really. And they cutted across every corner, spiritually, mentally. Really, we are so sorry. We are so grateful for that. Really, you will see changes in line of unity, friendship, and togetherness. I promise you will see, because they gave us a lot and enough. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Spoken, but in the presence of the director, the facilitators, all the admin around, and their staff, good evening. As I stated before, I'm the director of studies. I'm not going to talk much, just have a few areas to comment on. One, to the directors, I must say that you people, instead of giving us fish, you gave us a fishing net. Because when we just started the training, some of us thought the training would not be what we expected to see. But when the session went on, to me, sometimes I was looking at these facilitators as if they are angels that were sent to Disney Junior. That was my observation. Because they were brought in the names of tackling the challenge of reading. But again, there is a way they also entered into the spiritual life. Behaviors, characters, mindset change, and a lot of things. You might think they have been here, and you might feel they have been oriented, but it wasn't. Indeed, what they have done, I don't know how we should appreciate them, but all goes to you. I appreciate the mind that came with the idea that to bring these people on board. And I'm very grateful that God selected of all people brought this tool with all their expertise. And I must confirm to you that if the teachers implement whatsoever we learned within the 3 days, Disney Junior will not be only a different school in the classes, but also in the social aspects within the school environment. That is something I can confirm to you. And then, secondly, I want to appreciate the facilitators so much. You've done your best. We thank you so much. You gave us what you have to your best. And to me, as the Director of Studies, we take it in good faith and we promise that we shall implement it. And urge the teachers who have taken your time, not only brought your body, but even included your mental self insight and practically learned. Let us implement this and we shall see a difference. To conclude with, Madam Director and Mr. Director, these facilitators did not only left us with the knowledge, but they left us with a package. One, before you came, they handed over the Rica rhymes that are in 3 copies here. I have them here. That I think is going to help the teachers who might have at one point forgotten some of the rhymes. And then we have the charts, basic puzzle, that is going to help more especially in the lower classes to teach the basic reading skills. And then also, they left us with a flash that they're going to use as a school, and I'm sure this is not only going to benefit the teachers, it's going to benefit the school as a whole. So with this, I beg to stop here, and thank you so much for each and everyone's time.